Okay, so students, are you ready with your paper and pencil? Yes. See, today we are going to see the interaction about Ashtalakshmis, which is a very, very favorite topic for everyone. Do you all want to know about the Ashtalakshmis? Yes, symbolism, okay? Whatever I'm telling, just write it in the piece of paper. It's very difficult to remember, okay? And by the end of the session, you must be thorough with everything, okay? So, let us start. Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth and prosperity. All of us know that. Ashtalakshmi are a group of 8 manifestations of Devi Lakshmi, the Hindu goddess of wealth. She presides over 8 sources of wealth. What does wealth mean? Is it money? Is it only money? No, wealth is not only money. Okay, so let us explore on what wealth is. Before we start, I want to explain about 2 mudras, Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra. Abhaya Mudra is like this, gesture of fearlessness. You must have seen God and goddesses showing like this. This is Abhaya Mudra. This is gesture of fearlessness, hand held upright and palm is facing outwards. I will ask you, make note, Abhaya Mudra. And this is Varada Mudra. Varada Mudra symbolizes Varam, boons, palm uppermost and fingers pointing downwards. These 2 mudras are symbolisms of Devi Lakshmi. What are the 2 mudras? Unmute and say.
Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra.
Mudra, you have to show like this. Abhaya Mudra,
Varada Mudra.
Varada Mudra.
Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra.
Mute.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Abhaya Mudra and
Yeah. Okay. Now, let us start with first manifestation of Devi Lakshmi. You try to find out which Lakshmi is this. This manifestation of goddess Lakshmi is depicted as 4-armed, okay? 4 arms, carrying a lotus, white flag, and 2 arms in Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra. Which Lakshmi is this?
Adi Lakshmi.
Adi Lakshmi, perfect. Adi Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi, who is a goddess who brings strength and calmness to the mind. What does she hold? Quickly.
Lotus, white flag, lotus and white flag, and 2 other hands. Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra.
Perfect. And she is goddess who brings calmness and strengthens the mind. Okay. These 2 are her qualities. Okay. You have to remember this. See the next Lakshmi. She is 6-armed in red garments. She carries Sudarshana Chakra. No googling. Okay. Sudarshana Chakra, Shank, Kalasha, bow and arrow, lotus, and an arm in Abhaya Mudra with gold coins falling from it.
Jaya Lakshmi.
No, Dhana Lakshmi. Jaya is victory. Dhana Lakshmi. Dhanam. Yes, coins falling from which mudra?
Abhaya Mudra.
Abhaya Mudra. Yes. Good. What is she holding in 6 arms?
Bow and arrow, lotus.
Tell in order.
Sudarshan Chakra.
Sudarshana Chakra.
Sudarshan Chakra.
Shank, Kalash, bow and
Kalash,
arrow, lotus, and Abhaya Mudra, gold
Mudra.
coins falling from it.
Gold
Which Lakshmi is this?
Dhanalakshmi. Dhanalakshmi.
Very good. What was the Lakshmi? Third manifestation of Devi Lakshmi. She is 4-armed and white garment. Okay. She holds a book of Vedas.
Lakshmi.
Wait, let me finish. But it's correct. She holds book of Vedas, a peacock feather as a pen, Varada Mudra and Abhaya Mudra. So 4 arms, right? What are they? Vedas, peacock feather as pen, Varada Mudra, Abhaya Mudra. She is the aspect of knowledge, skill and talents. So she is Vidya Lakshmi.
Vidya Lakshmi.
Very good. The answer is right. Fourth manifestation of goddess Lakshmi. She is 8-armed. You know, 8-armed in green garments. She carries 2 lotuses, gada, paddy crop, sugarcane, bananas, and her 2 hands in Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra.
Vijay Lakshmi.
Dhanya Lakshmi, Dhanyam. Dhanya Lakshmi, she is the goddess of, listen to me. She is the goddess of good harvest and grains. Okay, agricultural wealth. Yeah, initially I told you wealth is not only money, right? Agricultural wealth. Who's responsible for agricultural wealth? Dhanya Lakshmi.
Dhanya Lakshmi.
What she holds? What all she holds in 8 arms?
Banana.
Order in order.
2 lotus. 2 lotus.
2 lotuses.
Gada. Bananas.
Paddy crop.
Cane.
Bananas. And 2 hands in?
Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra. Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra.
Which Lakshmi is this?
Dhanya Lakshmi.
Goddess of which wealth?
Agriculture.
Agricultural wealth. We are going to see the 5th Lakshmi. Very interesting. 6-armed. She carries 2 kalash. Okay, what does kalash means?
Pot.
What does it hold?
Pot with water.
Water.
Okay, with coconut and mango leaves on it, correct?
And coconut also.
Yes. So she holds 2 kalash, then sword, shield, and a child on her lap, and 1 hand in Abhaya Mudra.
Vijaya Lakshmi.
Santana Lakshmi. Santana Lakshmi.
And the child holds a lotus.
Santana Lakshmi.
Okay. What does the 6 arms holds?
1
2 kalashas, plural.
2 kalashas, sword, shield, a child holding lotus.
Which mudra? No.
Only Abhaya Mudra.
Only Abhaya Mudra. Another hand is holding the child with lotus, correct? Yes. So, correct. So which wealth, which form of wealth is this?
Santana, child, having
Child,
a
yes, offsprings and progeny. Okay. Lakshmi is 8-armed again. Okay. She is in red garments. She carries chakra, shank, bow arrow, trishul, a bundle of palm leaf scriptures, other 2 hands in Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra.
Durgama.
Durga Ma. And she is also called? And she is also called? Dhairya Lakshmi. Dhairya Lakshmi or Veera Lakshmi. Very good. What does she hold? What
She
does
holds Sudarshana Chakra, bow and arrow, Trishul, Shank,
a bundle of palm leaf scriptures,
Trishul,
Abhaya Mudra,
Abhaya Mudra and Varda Mudra.
Yeah. Now we are going to come to next manifestation of Lakshmi, who is also 8-armed, red garments, chakra, shank, sword, shield, lotus, pasha, other 2 hands in Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra. Who is this?
Vidya Lakshmi.
Vidya Lakshmi is over.
Vijaya Lakshmi.
Vijay Lakshmi. What does Vijay Lakshmi mean?
Dhana Lakshmi.
Dhana Lakshmi is over. Vijay Lakshmi is correct. goddess of victory, Vijayalakshmi. Yes.
Jayalakshmi.
Goddess of
What does
victory.
Vijaya means?
Winning.
Winning, victory. So she is the goddess of victory.
Victory.
8-armed. Okay. Lakshmi, this is the last. 4-armed in red garments. How many arms?
4 arms.
Yes. So what she holds? 2 lotuses, 2 arms in Abhaya Mudra and Varada Mudra. So 4 arms. So what is the special about her? 2 elephants bathing her with water pots.
Gajalakshmi.
Gadalakshmi.
Very good, Janvi.
Gadalakshmi.
She is the giver of animal wealth. Okay, she is the giver of animal
Animal
wealth.
wealth.
Gajalakshmi. Very
Gajalakshmi.
good. We are good.